Hello children, let us revise what we have learnt in chapter 5, Money. Children, we already know that the value of 1 rupee is 100 paisa. Now let us learn how to convert rupees into paise. The value of 1 rupee is 100 paisa. Rupee 2 is equals to 200 paisa. Similarly, rupee 7 will be equal to 700 paisa. Let us find out how. To convert rupees into paise, we need to multiply the given value with 100 paise. For example, in this question, rupee 60 has to be converted into paise. So the amount which is mentioned as rupee 60 will be multiplied with 100 paise. After multiplying 60 with 100, we get 6000 paise. Similarly, with question number 2 here, rupee 45 is supposed to be converted into paise. So again we are going to multiply the value with the rupees with 100 paise so that the entire value with rupees gets converted into paise. Here the final answer will be 4500 paise. Let us convert rupees 2.45 into paise. Whenever we need to convert rupees into paise, we should multiply the amount mentioned for rupees with 100. Now we would multiply 2 rupees with 100 paise so that we could get 200 paise. Now, after multiplying 2 with 100 paise, the value is 200 paise. After the decimal point, whatever paise amount is given, we will be adding it with 200. So the final answer will be 245 paise. Whenever we are solving some questions, we need to consider two ways. As you can see here, in this question, first we have multiplied 21 with 100 paise so that 21 rupee 21 gets converted into 2100 paise. After that, whatever extra amount which is mentioned as paise, for example here 0.50 is given, it is the paise amount, so we are going to add it with 2100 here. Another way, we can in the brackets here mention 21 multiplied by 100 paise and show addition of 50 paise all together. And finally, we can add the sum of both the paise amount 2150, combine them together and mention the final answer. Let us now convert paise into rupees. In this question, we are going to convert 4560 paise into rupees. For that, we are going to divide the amount by 100. And we are going to introduce a decimal. After eliminating 2 zeros from 100, we are going to shift the number with 2 places from the right hand side here and place a decimal point. Now the part which is before the decimal point, it is the rupee part, and the amount after the decimal point is the paise part. So we may mention this as 45 rupees 60 paise or rupee 45.60. Similarly, in this question,
we are going to convert 6750 paise into rupees. Again we are going to divide it with 100 and we are going to shift the digits given at the right hand side, counting the number of zeros as 2 and number of digits where we need to insert a decimal point. We need to insert a decimal point before the last two digits here, so that we can separate rupees and paise. So the final answer is, after inserting the decimal point, rupees 67.50 or 67 rupees 50 paise.